TT pop-up event in Los Angeles, Melrose Avenue in Mercedes-Benz May Beach, GLS. Kim is not just fit for luxury, it defines his face. His presence, his elegance, his gracefulness. He was born to represent very top of the luxurious world. Brands don't make Kim look luxurious. Kim makes the brand luxurious. Look at the brands treating Kim like the king. Yes, Kim is deserved as treat the king. Well, Kim is looking gorgeous. He is becoming a pot. He is respond in every point of view. Detail on the title law pop up in Kim Taeyon's from departures Korea Incheon International Airport to arrival to Los Angeles and from attending the events of all detailed through video and pictorial. I will tell you. And after attending event, Kim Taeyon returned back to Korea. Details. Twitter held a pop-up in Los Angeles on Melrose Avenue from November 15 from 15 to 23rd 2025. Completions of gorgeous influencers losing their mind and confident level and over. Glimpse of Kim at Twitter Pop in Los Angeles. He was surrounded by women's love. This boy is renowned USA influencer. Kim Taeyon is drinking matcha. He is making fun, and everyone he is making fun, and every woman Kim Taeyon and feeling happy. A lot of vloggers and bloggers and influencers has been attended TT pop up Los Angeles. You have to see the face of Kim Taeyon. He is responding and face expression is saying lot of things. Kim Taeyon is ready to giving the interview. A lot of bloggers and influencers want to interview of Kim Taeyon. Kim Taeyon ready to and capture the video and photography of Kim Taeyon. He is in this video. Kim Taeyon giving the interview of renowned bloggers of USA Los Angeles. Kim Taeyon, the brand's global ambassador, attend on opening day. The event features interactive experiences like a shade matching for various Twitter products. Kim Taeyon made an appearance at the pre-event. Detail on the Twitter law pop-up and Kim Taeyon involvement. On the Twitter law pop-up and Kim Taeyon's involvement. Event Twitter law pop-up store. Date November 15 from 15 to 23rd 2025. Location 8175 Melrose Avenue, Los Angeles. Detail about the Los Angeles pop-up event are now out when Monday till Friday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday, Sunday 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Date from November 15 to November 23rd. Place 817 Melrose Avenue. K Beauty leader Twitter is bringing its global we and you let's radiate campaign inspired by Ambassador V. Kim in this video, Kim interviewed the Korea media people, Korea media, and in this video, Kim Taeyeon respond to every fan club,
안녕하세요, 비입니다.
fan club, and
LA
every
팝스토어에 와 있는데요.
bloggers and
날씨가
influences
오늘
of
비가 오는데
USA. He
날씨가 되게
made
그래도 너무
fun, lot of fun, and
그러니까
respond
여기
the fan
멋진
club.
간 한번 와보셨으면
Say hello, hi, and say
많이
thank you
응원해주세요.
and greet whatever.
네, 안녕하세요, 비입니다.
In this video, a girl proposed to date Kim became shy.
데일리 패션 뉴스 비입니다. 저는
Kim
지금
Taeyeon
LA에서
giving
열린
the
티르티르
interview
현장에
on
나와 있는데요.
checking his
티르티르
shade,
대표 제품
what kind of shade of cushion tutu is suitable for his face. Kim Taeyeon's looking gorgeous and interview. Okay, bye. He say bye. Looking.
하이 데일리 패션 뉴스 비입니다. 저는 지금 LA에서 열린 티르티르 팝업 현장에 나와
Every
있는데
K-pop icon and member BTS Los Angeles with an immerse multi-room pop-up experiences opening on Melrose Avenue this month. Design as a journey through shade, texture, and sensorial beauty. The pop-up invites guests to exposures Twitter's viral product, including the icon marks fit red cushion available in 40 shades. Kim Taeyeon making every fan club bloggers and influencer fun and say every woman's and guy say hi and entertain to everyone to your body respond and eyes speaking and for speaking. He making the pot face for this video. They are bloggers and influencers of USA. He is shocked to see the Kim Taeyeon. Our vloggers interview the Kim Taeyeon. He said the idol of idols in real life. Blogger statement. Kim Taeyeon is replied very politely and very responding. Invite guests exposure to viral products including the iconic marks fit red cushion available in 40 shades through interactive intellections, content room and culture discovery moment. What guests can exposure color match area find your shade. A dedicated complexion zone featuring in this video Kim Taeyeon's hairstyle is
있을 텐데 정말 진짜 우리 애기 아미들 진짜 고생 엄청 많이 했으니까 오늘은 폭식하세요. 감사합니다.
on featuring tutor for 40 shade foundation scanning, personalized matching, and U-shaped red contour designed for a VIP one-on-one try-one experience. 40 shade foundation wall, a large scale color uh, uh, a square boy showcasing every shade in detail. Large scale color stone wall showcasing every shade in detail. Hero franchise. A striking installation made for Instagrams worthy photos and videos. Content cube radiance camp room are three-side LED light, metallic red cube with signature theater sitting designed for eye impact ambassador zone behind the scene immersion. In this video, Kim Taeyeon is uh,
Taeyong
giving
coming.
the pop-up vloggers and influencer content cube radiance capture room three-side LED light metallic cube. Already told you before. An exhibition style maze featuring the actual outfit campaign imaginary mirror installations and exclusive behind the scene moment from the VNU global shoot built with museum like mirror panel and the lightning details. This zone bringing fan inside the creative world of the campaign room. Kim Taeyeon is showing. Kim Taeyeon is drinking matcha and modeling fortitude and cushion. You have to see this is make the cushion and like a bed and he is shooting shooting of the modeling shooting in this video. You have to see this wonderful performance in the K-pop, theater K-pop of Kim Taeyeon. You have to see. Kim Taeyeon is responding in wonderfully. In this video, Kim Taeyeon to every fan club and everyone, bloggers and bloggers and influencers say greeting and say is saying Kim Taeyeon is saying I am grateful to you to attending the theater because I am ambassador of the theater. At this time, Kim Taeyeon, aura of peoples.
일단
In this picture, Kim Taeyeon drinking matcha, but he is not noticed the.
나이스 일단 나이스 일단 나이스
Kim coming to either this video Kim Taeyeon's beautiful gigantic poster are being displayed at theater flagship store. Wonderful pictures pictorial. His look like angel. Making sure Taeyeon's face is everywhere, which is more important than foundation. Kim Taeyeon, Kim Taeyeon is more important than the foundation. Kim Taeyeon increased the value of the Trip Foundation. Then Kim Taeyeon, some girl has proposed him for dating. He ignored and he became shy. Kim Taeyeon mix up pic and video. In this video, you have to see the mix up video. He attended the K-pop pop-up TT pop-up events mix, but Kim Taeyeon respond very well, wonderfully responding positions. Kim Taeyeon is giving the interview. He is looking very innocent and very graceful and very attentive and very active and respond every point of view. Kim Taeyeon looking. This is photo of the Kim Taeyeon in the event K-pop, Twitter K-pop. Wonderful picture. Oh wow! Wonderful, beautiful action and express is modeling actions. Wonderful. Kim Taeyeon living the K-pop events, Melrose, and going to and then return back to Korea, and every influences and bloggers and fan club calling Kim Taeyeon, I love you, Kim Taeyeon, I love you. I'm very express his feeling for Kim Taeyeon. But the Mercedes very attractive. Wow, wonderful Mercedes. I told you before about the Mercedes Benz Maybach GLS. Kim is not just fit for luxury. He defines his face, his presence. Fan club, bloggers, and influencers cheering and calling Kim Taeyeon, I love you, and so on. This kind of word he's calling Kim Taeyeon. Kim Taeyeon living the K-pop Avenue for attending the 15 November. Theon is looking very innocent in these pictures. Uh, uh, K-pop, Los Angeles, 15 November, theater. Kim Taeyeon is the ambassador of the theater, and Kim Taeyeon is in this picture is looking innocent. In this picture, Kim Taeyeon is looking graceful and stunning and adorable. Double pictures collage is this picture. In both pictures, Kim Taeyeon express his respect and to every fan and bloggers and influencers, because I'm again word bloggers and influencer, because Los Angeles K-pop TT K-pop pop up, sorry, lot of attended the lot of bloggers and influencers attending the this theater party. This information is off, not full, but please subscribe my YouTube channel and likes and give the leave the feedback. Please comment, give the comment and feedback.